Are you deciding what you want to put in your garden this year, but you don't know where to start? Well, how about carrots? Besides being a delicious root vegetable with many people enjoy, including kids, it has 4 other major benefits which I'm going to share with you in the next few minutes. So by the time you're done watching this video, hopefully you will have found the inspiration to go out and buy a packet of carrot seeds today. So keep watching. Welcome to True Freedom Permaculture, where I give you all the tips and tricks you need to have a green thumb even if you weren't born with one. Alright, so let's talk carrots. The first reason is, and you will know this if you've ever had the opportunity to have a carrot that was just dug up from the ground, is that the quality is so much better. It's sweeter, it's fresher, and it just has this authentic carrot taste that simply can't be replicated with carrots that you purchase from the grocery store. And in this video I mention how vegetables begin to lose their nutritional quality as soon as they're dug up from the ground, because you're cutting off their source of life essentially. So the sooner you can eat them after digging them up or picking them, whatever, the better. So that's the first reason why. The second reason is because you can grow them 2 times per year, once in the spring and once in the fall. And in our household, we use carrots just for snacking and in our cooking, but also we use them a lot in making stocks. So in chicken bone broth or beef bone broth. And so we go through quite a bit. So the more that we can grow around here, the better. The third reason we love carrots is because they contain vitamins A, C, and fiber. They're also a good source of antioxidants. And antioxidants remove the free radicals in your body, which can cause cell damage later on. Vitamin C is also great for the production of collagen. And collagen is so important for keeping your joints healthy, and they also promote the elasticity of your skin to prevent wrinkles. The fourth and final reason is because carrots do wonders for your garden. Carrots are edible taproots, and a taproot grows vertically, and it also has lateral branches. These branches, when you buy your carrots from the supermarket, you might not be able to see them as easily, but I'll show you a picture of a carrot from my garden where you can see these tiny white roots, I don't know if you can see that, are shooting off the side of the carrot. And what the purpose of this taproot is for is that it draws up all the nutrients and minerals from deep down in the soil and brings it up to the surface. So that's great for your garden bed, but also it buries deep beneath the soil, and all the lateral branches that are there also create little tunnels and offshoots. So think about when you pull a carrot out of the soil to harvest it, you're still going to have all that space there and all the little tunnels that the carrot has created from growing. This provides an opportunity for other roots of other crops. So for example, you might interplant carrots with lettuce, for example, and it allows those roots of the lettuce to go down there and more easily bury and grow and provide a more substantial foundation for the plant. So that's why we like it, is that it creates more space in the soil and aerates the soil. Well, I hope you consider adding carrots to your garden plan this year. As you can see, they come in a variety of different colors, and as you know now, they also offer a multitude of benefits. Are you ready to start seeding? If so, follow the next step, which is coming up right here. I show you exactly how to make newspaper pots. These are great for seedlings, and these are something you can put your carrot seeds directly into. See you soon.